Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now today is the final day that the Senate committee led by the Majority Whip, Boni Khalwale, listening to the impeachment process of the Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza will be taking place, and after this they're going to retreat, then write their report back to the Senate, where the final decision will be taking place. And I have been among the people who have been following this case. And there are three things I'm reading into this case which make me to conclude that this case seemingly might be heading nowhere. Number one is the UDA position in this case. Number two, the people representing Kawira Mwangaza and their connection to the UDA party. And then number three, the allegations they are putting on Kawira Mwangaza as the reasons to impeach her. All those you put together, you can conclude and easily confirm that this case is heading nowhere. Kawira Mwangaza is here to stay. So before we go into that, I just want us to go through the charges they are putting on Kawira Mwangaza for impeachment. Then after that, I will tell you the UDA position and how they come into this case. William Ruto hand is in this matter to rescue Kawira Mwangaza, I can tell you. These are the charges. Number one, nepotism, illegal appointment, unlawful dismissal, and usurpation of the constitution and the statutory functions of the county organs. Charge 2, incitement, bullying, vilification, and misleading campaign against other leaders. Look at that. Charge number 3, forceful entry into the assembly presence and mobilization of unlawful riot against members of the county assembly. Number 4, violation of public finance management law. And number 5, misconduct relating to the nomination of county executive committee members. So those are the 5 charges against Kawira Mwangaza. We are continuing with this particular discussion, but just a quick request for those who are watching and you're not to subscribe, please consider subscribing. To our channel subscribers, thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and back to this discussion. Now, one thing that you are going to notice here is that the lead counsel lawyer representing Kawira Mwangaza, alias Mduma. For those who know, if you can remember, this is a UDA party lawyer. Who is the lawyer of UDA party? And he is here representing Meru governor, a person who was elected on independent ticket, not UDA, nor any other party. So, if it has been employed by UDA party, how dare does he come to represent Kawira Mwangaza if Ruto did not make a call or someone senior in UDA party to come and represent Kawira Mwangaza? If you look at that, then you can tell where this case is heading to. The same lawyer representing Kawira Mwangaza, he represented William Samoei Ruto in a case which was filed to block him from being sworn in as the president, for those who remember. So this man was acted on behalf of William Ruto directly. He represented Ruto. Again, number 2, this is the same lawyer who has been part of the council which was against BBI case, for those who remember. He represented those who were saying no, and of course UDA party was there. It was saying no, and it was part of the team that was against BBI, and they won that case. So definitely with all that, you can clearly understand that the lawyer representing Kawira Mwangaza is a UDA party lawyer. So, after watching this, then I I flashed my mind back to the post that was shared by Kawira Mwangaza together with the CS for Agriculture, Mithika Linturi. And she said Meru is happy when she posted that photo. So after that, then I conclude that definitely the meeting Kawira Mwangaza had with Mithika Linturi was the one that informed the involvement of UDA lawyer into this case. That means Mithika Linturi reached out to President Ruto kukuja kuingilia hii kesi to make sure that she will not go home. So already up to there, you will see that UDA party is in defense of Kawira Mwangaza. Mambo ya MCA itakuwa sorted out baadaye. So with all this, whether what will happen through those talks and whatever, it is clear that Ruto is here to defend Kawira Mwangaza and let her be back to her office. As simple as that. So, vile will negotiate how they are going to work going way forward is another thing. Maybe in the next election she might buy a UDA ticket, or depending on how they have agreed to work going forward. As simple as that. Now, with that, then go to the case side. Definitely, for those who have been listening to this case, you can realize that a lot of the allegations they are putting on Kawira Mwangaza, they are hearsay things. Alisema yeye akiwa kwa mkutano fulani, declared this on this meeting. So you find that they are not serious case that can amount to impeaching someone. It's not enough case. Even if the Senate will go ahead to impeach Kawira Mwangaza, definitely she will get justice in the court. That's the truth of the matter. Because all these allegations, there are rumors that you cannot prove them. They cannot prove their case. That's why you see even the witnesses who are in this case, when they put questions on them, the way they are responding to this country, even to this question, even Khanwale himself got angry with these people in the manner in which they are responding to the questions. Because they're saying that Kawira Mwangaza is declaring people into office. She just employed people into office on roadside declaration. But the truth of the matter is that there is board in charge of employment. The question was that, did the board complain on this appointment that someone is taking over their duty? The truth of the matter is that no. That means the board is still in charge of employment. Kawira Mwangaza appointment, as long as it has not materialized, and as long as it has not gone through, as long as the board has approved it, it means it is not illegal. Sababu kama ataambia mtu nimekuappoint kazi, and then the board approved that person, it means the person went through the right process despite the fact that the governor declared. That's why you see this guy, when they ask questions, his response is so funny that question is immaterial. When they ask him any question, he's saying that question is immaterial. So he's not even answering the question. That means the witness is becoming hostile to this committee. And because of this, they don't have a serious case here. So at the end of the day, you will discover that Kawira Mwangaza has not done any mistake that can make her to be impeached up to this level. Number two, she has sought immune from the UDA party leader, such that hata kama kutakuwa na wale watu wene wako na mpango mbaya against her, still at the end of the day through the Senate, it will not go to an extent where now she will again be pushed to the court. And that's my thinking. The reason why she decided to reach out to the president through Mithika Linturi, to avoid her being dragged now to the court if the Senate will go to an extent of impeaching her. So now she's just, yani ni kama anajaribu ku immune herself earlier so that she will not be taken to the court. But again in the court, she will still win this case. Hii case haina miguu kabisa. Hakuna mahali inaenda. So MCAs in Meru wasted their time, and it is better they allow the governor to do her work. At least until when she will make such grave mistake is when they will proceed and impeach her. Otherwise, the biggest problem is that the people on the ground are the ones who will suffer.